Good morning, students. Welcome to this subject, Methodology of Teaching History, paper number Edu 7 and Edu 8, first year. Myself, Mr. Ganesh Chandra Naik, Associate Professor, GVM Dr. Dada Vaidya College of Education. We'll see unit number 1 today, and this unit is Understanding History and History Curriculum. In this module, we'll be discussing about what this unit is all about. What are the things we are going to study? What are the things we are going to understand in this unit? So, this unit is about, let us see, concept and origin of history. Okay, in this unit, we will be discussing about how the history as a subject developed and what is the present status of history in school level. Then we'll study, you as a history teacher will study what are the aims of teaching history, why there is history subject in school curriculum. In case this subject is not there, then what kind of learning deficiency students will have in the school. Then students will study in this unit structure of national curriculum in history. And what is national curriculum? The curriculum prepared by the NCERT from class 1 to class 12. But as far as history is concerned, under national curriculum we will study about structure, purpose and approach of designing history curriculum from class 6 to class 10. So, as a history teacher, you must know what is taught at what level from class 6 to class 10. Then we study about role of state government, role of central government in designing history curriculum. Okay, you know that NCERT has prepared textbooks, okay, and that is what we are in the state of Goa we are using. But if you go to different states, state government also prepare their own textbooks. So, how this takes place at state level and central level, that is part of this subtopic. And what is the controversy around designing history curriculum? Because you know, whenever new textbook comes to market, a lot of controversy erupts. Many people they oppose certain things in the textbooks and they want certain things to be included in the textbooks. So, this is called controversy around writing textbooks. So, these kind of things also will be discussed in this subunit. Then students will compare history textbooks of different boards. We in the state of Goa, we know what is taught in our board, but do you know what is taught in Maharashtra? Do you know what is taught in Kerala and Karnataka and private board like ICSE? So, some kind of activity will be done here in this subunit. I will try to compare what is our board textbook, what is their board textbooks in history, so that we know what is happening elsewhere. So, students, in this unit this kind of things will be covered, and by the end of this unit you should be able to explain the changing concept of history. Also, you should be able to justify the place of history in school curriculum. This is a part of purpose of teaching and learning of history. And as far as national curriculum is concerned, you should be able to describe the purpose, the approach and the structure of NCERT history curriculum. And you should be able to analyze the controversy around writing school history textbooks based on leftist and nationalistic perspective. What is the leftist and nationalistic? That will study in this curriculum, in this unit. And the last two learning outcomes are developing the skill of analyzing history textbooks of different boards. Okay, in one of the subunit you are going to compare textbooks of different boards. So, therefore, automatically you will develop the skill of analyzing history textbooks of different boards. And in that exercise, finally, you should be able to appreciate the good features of history textbooks of different boards, so that when we revise our textbooks, we should be able to incorporate good features from different school textbooks. So, overall this is the purpose of unit number 1. Okay. So, when you study the unit number 1 in detail, that time we will study all the things in detail. Thank you very much.